This is the elevator building, Ocean Winds Building B. I see they haven't modernized any of these. That's okay, because they run with proper maintenance, they run great. Focus. Interesting mirror placement. No. Okay, now let's go up to 3. Oh. There's no noise on this at all. Buttons have definitely been replaced. Fans are really loud. Watch the door. It does the weird little closey thing. No, not here. Same walkway. Same looking building as before. Guess these are almost identical besides from the... That doesn't work. That's a G. The other one's a P. No, that's a G also. Aside from the buttons and the no sound, they're almost identical. They are identical. Look the same. They were installed at the same time. Ooh, that's the paint rubbing. That's it.